Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert an Excel document in a Confluence page in just a few simple steps. Click the plus button in the toolbar to open the Insert menu. A drop-down appears with various content types you can add to the page. Type /file to filter the options, then select Image, Video, or File from the menu. This opens the File Attachment interface where you can choose your upload source. In the File Upload panel that appears, click the Upload button to open your File Explorer. You'll see options for uploading from your computer, linking from a URL, or connecting cloud storage. Select your Excel file from the Explorer and click Open. The file appears in the editor as an attached card showing the file name and size. Confluence supports both XLS and XLSX formats. Click on the file card to open a preview of the spreadsheet content. This lets you verify the correct file was uploaded before publishing. The preview loads and displays your Excel data in a viewable format within Confluence. Anyone with page access can view the spreadsheet without downloading it. Click the Close button to return to the editor view with the file still attached. The card remains in place where you inserted it. Click Publish to save the page. You'll see a title required message if you haven't named the page yet. Add a title in the field at the top, then click Publish again to complete. If you see the title required error, just add a page title at the top of the editor before publishing again. The file card shows a preview thumbnail on the published page that readers can click to view the full spreadsheet. You can attach multiple files to the same page by repeating the insert process for each one. To remove or replace the file later, just click the card and select Delete from the Options menu. And that's how to insert an Excel document in a Confluence page. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.